Hi, my name is Jeff Chang and I'm here to talk to you about Rovr, a mobile advertising platform for in-game users developed by Nick Thorpe, myself, and Michael Battistone. One of the most important things we want to talk about are the three value add features of our product. We feel that we can connect local opportunities and game users together. We have a unique check-in feature that allows gamers to automatically check into businesses for new in-app features or rewards. And we have a simplistic interface and process. Our primary sustainable differential advantages are our back-end database. We create an opportunity for game users to not only progress further into the game, but we also encourage them to check out local businesses around them, which can be considered a win-win for both the gamer and the business owner. Take, for example, going to an outdoor mall. As you're waiting, you might want to play your game just to pass time. Within the game, we've seamlessly integrated an advertisement which could get you into the door of one of the businesses nearby. That provides a value for the business and creates an incentive for the game user, as there'll be in-game rewards. Our addressable target market, obviously game users, game publishers, and brick and mortar businesses. The steps we've taken to validate our market are games like Clash of Clans, which have revamped the game market, causing ad companies to compete for getting on the best games because, for example, Clash is making $1 million a day in revenue, and current ad companies for them would be making roughly 5 to 7% of their total revenue. So we feel that if we could just get on board with an already popular game, we will already be validating a credible ad company. Or validating ourselves as a credible ad company, So our team, what complements we all have in terms of skills, competencies. We have web designers, photoshoppers, sales and customer service representatives, and other various experiences throughout our previous jobs. Supplementary skills and competencies do our advisors have. Our advisors throughout the semester have been a tremendous help. Everyone from Cade to Shan, all of you guys have provided great advice. Really opened up our eyes in terms of the startup and bring so many skills to the table. However, the biggest help we've gotten is their knowledge in the tech space. The critical skills or competencies our external resources have. Our external resources have caused us to pivot various times during our project, which is probably for the better. Every pivot we have done has improved the direction we're going towards and ultimately led us to our idea we have now. How we plan on monetizing our product and making money. Through our cost per action monetization strategy, basically we want to license out Rovr to a game developing company, and then through their game users click on our ad. Their game users will then click on our ads, prompting them to take them to X business, which will give them X reward within the game. Once the game user goes to the location of the businesses, the game developer then will take a small cut for us, or will give us a small cut. What are your major revenue streams and future projections? Our major revenue stream will come through us signing a contract with a major game publishing company. However, it's hard to make future projections without a solidified game publisher on board. That's one of the big things we're working on right now. Transaction to date, not using vanity metrics. Rovr's complete wireframe ready to be finalized by a software engineer, and our landing page is ready to be switched to a .com site. Also, we're constantly innovating and trying to find ways to differentiate ourselves. So, what is your MVP and its current status? Our MVP is our ad process. The Rovr icon is part of the game, and it's also us. It prompts the game users to click on it, which prompts the ad. It's symbolic in more ways than we can imagine. Our scale-up, rapid growth transition plan is simple. We want to partner with leading game publishers in the industry because our product needs high-traffic apps to be implemented. Our long-term vision, or BHAG, is to revolutionize the way we view ads. Ads are given to people in a pretty dry fashion, whether it's a banner ad or a typical video ad. And we feel that ours is different, long-term and short-term from them, because we are giving them something with a much higher impression rate. How are we gathering our intel on current or emerging competitors? We're currently gathering intel on our competitors like Dibs and Vungle, Unity ads. We have a few matrices and comparison charts to pick out exactly and what we do and not like about the current way ads are given. What is our analysis of leading competitors and priority criteria? As previously stated, Vungle, Dibs, and Unity ads have a much different ad process than ours. Currently, Dibs is the closest competitor. They offer incentives within games for gameplay. For example, if you're using a fitness tracking app, they have coupons for you after you've reached a specific milestone within the game that go towards a business. But that's different from us because they incentivize gameplay, whereas we are providing a way of, I guess, monetizing your gameplay in a sense. Let's see, and the last question, how will you anticipate and respond to current and future competitors? I believe if we can solidify a process as being the best, we will not have to worry about future competitors because we'll have the most credibility, given that we're the first ad company to display ads in our unique process. Nick and I feel that, same with Michael, that our ad is, because it's non-invasive, it's something that most game developers would desire, because unfortunately advertising is a necessary evil, and we just wanted to not make it so bad, basically. Thanks for your time, and this is Rovr.